What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today's video, we're going to talk about the best brokers and trading platforms when it comes to day trading, swing trading, etc. Believe it or not, I get asked this question a lot, and I mean a lot. When people ask this question, it's kind of a lot harder to answer this with just what is the best broker and trading platform. This is why I'm making this video, so when people ask in the future, I can use this as a reference video for frequently asked questions. I think you guys are gonna enjoy this video. I've spent the last few hours putting this all together. We got a lot to cover and go over. If you're new to the Trading and Learning 101 community, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. Let's jump into it, everybody. The best brokers, trading platforms for stock trading and investing. When I get asked this question, I reverse it right back to you. You have to answer this question. You have to ask yourself, what type of trader am I? Am I a day trader, swing trader, long-term investor? Do I like to short stocks? Am I a position trader? Am I a box trader? Do I trade options, futures, forex, commodities, or ETFs? Get a piece of paper, write all of this stuff down, and answer it truthfully, because this is how you're going to determine which broker and trading platform and tools are best for you and that you need to do your job. The different types of brokers. Do you know how many stockbrokers are in the United States alone? Thousands. Try and stick to the most popular brokers and familiar names. Protect yourself. There are thousands of brokers just in the United States alone. Try to stick to the more familiar names that you've seen or heard traders mention. TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers, Speed Trader, TradeStation, and the list goes on and on and on. And there are brokers out there that I've never even heard of before. It's all up to you to do your own due diligence and look into these brokers that you want to invest your money into. Look them up on the internet. Look up the reviews. See what people are saying about these brokers. If you're in the United States, are you under PDT rule, pattern day trader? That's a question you're going to have to ask yourself. There are mobile trading platforms, online trading platforms. Are you trading from your phone, your desktop, or a laptop? Offshore brokers. The risk of opening an offshore broker to get over PDT rule if you're in the United States. I know the PDT rule sucks. I've been there. When I first started and I learned about the PDT rule, I thought it was the stupidest rule ever, and I still kind of do, but then I kind of agree with it also because it protects you. If you're a degenerate gambler and have no risk management, you're gonna blow through all of your money really quickly, and you can easily blow up your account if you have no risk management. So being under PDT rule may help you in understanding risk management and learning about it when you're just starting off. Opening offshore brokers, some traders use it to get over the PDT rule. Offshore brokers, people use them, but they are risky. I would not recommend or never will recommend, so please do not ask. Again, do your own due diligence. Look it up on the internet. Do your own research. Trading platforms. Are you going to use the broker's platform or are you going to use a third-party platform? For an example, a third-party platform like TC2000, TrendSpider, TradingView. I know some people open up a broker just to be able to execute trades, and they'll have a third-party platform that they use for their charting, their level 2, and their data. And then I have some traders that use a broker and they use the platform that the broker provides. For an example, TD Ameritrade. People open an account with TD Ameritrade and they use TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim for their charting, level 2, news, and stock screener. There's multiple ways to go about this, guys. So it's up to you to do your own research and study and see everything that's out there and determine what's best for you. Do your own research. Brokers and charting platforms all have pros and cons. Use the internet, look up reviews from other people who use these brokers and platforms to help pick what best meets your needs. If you want to take trading seriously, don't be a cheapskate. Yes, commissions are free and platforms are free for the most part, but just because something is free does not mean it's the best. If you want to take trading seriously, you have to have the right tools for the job. Sometimes you have to pay for what you want and help do your job. Most professional trading brokers and platforms have fees still versus retail brokers. Retail brokers like TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Charles Schwab offer free commissions, and they have free trading platform, but it does not mean it's the best. Sure, there are a lot of people that use retail brokers, but the more you get into trading and day trading, you want to start to have more faster executions. You want to see more in depth of the level 2. This is when you're going to branch off and you're going to start paying for data to get it faster, to see more. You really got to figure out what you want and the tools that you want as a trader. This is a big part of why I say at the end of my videos, study, study, study. There is a lot to learn if you want to be a day trader or a trader in the stock market. Now, let's just say you want to take trading very, very seriously and you want to pay what the professional traders are paying. You got to think about the trading tools and the fees and the cost. Trading commissions. Your more big professional trading brokers like Interactive Broker, Speed Trader, Centerpoint Securities, still to this day in 2020 have commissions. They either have it per trade commission or they have per share commission. Now, don't get in the comments down below and say, well, you're technically wrong. The broker you just mentioned does not have commissions. I'm just giving examples, so please do not troll me. Some brokers have platform fees. If you have direct market access, you're going to have to pay for ECN fees, routing fees, data subscription. If you want a NASDAQ total view package, or if you want OTC stocks feed, pink sheets, you're going to have to pay for an subscription to the data feed for that. If you want, you could pay for stock scanners. You could pay for a news feed like Equity Feed, Benzinga. If you want the news the fastest, or if your trading style is based on trading off of the news, maybe that's something that would interest you. Paying to be a part of a chat room. Now, this is a big topic right here. Chat rooms. There are a lot of trading chat rooms out there. There are a lot of free chat rooms and there are a lot of premium chat rooms. If you're going to be a part of a free chat room, you're going to be in a chat room with a bunch of noobs, beginner traders, people that don't know what they're doing, people who only want hot stock picks, versus paying for a premium chat room. You're going to have more of a dedicated community in there. You're going to have traders in there that actually want to learn this. You're going to have professional traders in there. You're going to have veteran traders in there. So paying to be a part of a trading community and a chat room, in my eyes, is a big deal because I want to surround myself with like-minded people and dedicated traders and investors. I don't want to surround myself with a bunch of noise and people who don't know what they're talking about, people who just want handouts. Do you have to be a part of a trading community? No, you don't have to. You could be by yourself if you want to. I would most definitely say having more eyes in the stock market because it's so big helps. And being a part of a trading community, you help each other out, you're a team, you have each other's backs. So again, this is a question that you would have to answer. Do you want to be a part of a chat room? Do you want to be a part of a free chat room? Or do you want to be a part of a premium chat room? Paying for a trading mentor. Now, there are a lot of trading mentors out there and trading gurus. I would most definitely say if you're just starting off, you definitely need a trading mentor to show you the ropes and show you and guide you which way to go. Again, don't be a cheapskate in the stock market, but even as I'm growing as a trader and seeing what other tools are out there, sometimes you do have to pay a little bit more for a better tool to help you do your job and do your job more efficiently. All of this can add up quickly, so be picky and choose the tools you need to do your job. So this is important. Write down all of this stuff. Do you need all of this stuff? What's the best way to go about having all of this stuff? And doing your own research, finding the best deals for you. And then now, the conclusion. The more you study and the longer you are around, you will start to see what type of trader you are becoming. This is why this specific question, when asked, is hard to answer and more complex to just answer. So when people ask me, what's the best broker for day trading? I'm gonna reference you to this video and you have to answer this question yourself. What type of trader are you? There are so many brokers and trading platforms out there and they all have their pros and cons like I've mentioned. Go through on the internet and simply type in best brokers for trading, day trading, best trading platforms, best charting platforms. Go to all of these different websites and look at the reviews of what people are saying and go through all of the pros and cons. What does this broker do very well? What does this broker lack? What does this charting platform offer? What does this charting platform lack? There are many websites out there with reviews on charting platforms and brokers, and this is another one for an example. Go through it, read everything that they say about these. They have TradeStation, TD Ameritrade, Interactive Brokers, the pros, the cons. You can read the full review and then go on YouTube also. Type in trading platform reviews, best trading platforms. Just do your own research, write down the pros, the cons, and determine what's best for you. I really do hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and I was able to answer all of your questions. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you're brand new to the Trading Learning 101 channel, please hit that subscribe button. Join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. And until next time, everybody, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?